Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put together a flute. This will be a full assembly tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. There are 3 parts to a flute, and it is extremely easy to put this instrument together. The first part is going to be your head joint, which is basically the blank one that just has the lip plate and the hole over here. The next one is going to be the body, which is the longest part. And the third one is going to be your foot joint, which is the smallest part that goes at the end. Very easy to put it together. You're going to take your head joint over here, okay, and you're going to attach it to the body. Now it only goes in one way, right? If I try and put it in this way, it's not going to work. It only goes in one way. So you want to place it all the way in, pretty much as far as it can go, okay? It should click into place so like it can't go any further. It doesn't lock in place, but when it goes all the way, check this out, when it goes all the way, right, it can't go any further. You can pull it out a little bit, right? Because it might be a little too sharp if you put it in all the way, but that's kind of up to your own personal preference. But this lip plate hole, essentially you want to line it up with these notes over here. So I'm just going to turn it until the whole of the lip plate lines up with all of these notes over here. Give or take, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but you want it to be as close as possible. And the last thing that you actually have to do is take your foot joint and you want to attach it to the body over here. So once again, it only goes in one way. I can't put it in this way. It only goes in this way. Now, when you carefully put your foot joint in place, you want to take a look over here, and there's a little ball at the end of the foot joint. You want that little ball to be lined up with the center of your last note over here. So when I put it in place like this, right, that little ball, we want it to line up basically with the center of that note right there. And that's how to assemble a flute. Really, really easy to do. I've shown you the basics, and then you can fine tune it by pulling it out 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch to make it less sharp. It's kind of up to you because that will elongate the air tube, which will therefore make it a little bit of a deeper sound. But that's your own personal preference. That's how to assemble a flute instrument. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.